What is up, you guys? My name is Trisha, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title and the thumbnail of this video, it's going to be another vlog style video. I just want to give you all a glimpse into my life more and be a little bit more transparent on my channel. This vlog is really pretty much my typical Saturday, which is where I catch up on my cleaning, try to do some stuff for me. I hope that you find this vlog interesting. It's daily life, it's realistic, and if this is not your first time here, I do appreciate you for coming back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I do appreciate you for stopping by. I hope that you would consider subscribing to my channel as I do more lifestyle content, and also do some beauty and fashion content on this channel as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video, y'all. So I like to wake up very early on Saturdays to get my cleaning done, just because I feel like I have a little more time and I'm not rushed. I cannot stand to see the clutter on the weekend. It literally drives me crazy, I'm sure, just like anybody else. So I do go through and try to do a deeper clean on Saturday mornings, as opposed to what I'm able to do during the week. And there's no better feeling than to have a nice clean bed. I do spray all of my pillows with chamomile pillow mist. It just gives you a little bit more relaxation at nighttime. And I do also have to have my candles when I clean. Just completes everything for me. Oh, and by the way, my little table that's over here, just FYI, your girl did build that from scratch. Yes, I did. I'm proud of it. But I absolutely love it when my room is clean. I just sleep so much better. It's so much more relaxing with a nice scent from the candles. Everything is clean. Everything is in place. Alright, so as far as my downstairs goes, I like to try to dust on the weekends. You know, those little dust mites that get you every time. So I do more of that type stuff on the weekends. Just go through and tidy everything up. During the week, I'm just kind of touching up stuff, fixing pillows, but on the weekends, I do a much deeper clean. While I do try to make sure my dishes are always clean, sometimes I do get them the next morning, but they are always clean. Always have to use bleach and stuff, because I am not dealing with no germs on dishes or on my countertops or anything else like that. Okay, so because of my work schedule and everything that I have to do, I tend to really mop my floors on the weekend. And of course, Nova is always in my way. Alright, so now that I'm done cleaning, now I can do regular stuff. I don't know, I guess cleaning is regular. I don't know, what I mean is now I'm going to go ahead and go jump in the shower, change my clothes, get myself looking halfway decent for the day, and then see what I got next to do. See y'all over there. So my bath time is extremely important to me. It just gives me the ultimate relaxation and prepares me for either my day or the bed. But since this is the morning time, I am just using this Dr. Teal's soak. This kind of helps me feel a little bit better, I won't lie. And of course, you know who is here with me as always. But my bath is just my time. I don't have to worry about doing anything. I don't want to have to worry about nobody else. This is my time. It's my sanctuary. Okay, so now that I have cleaned myself. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do something to my hair. So right now, all I'm gonna do is just detangle it, put it in a ponytail, get it looking decent, and throw some makeup on, and then I guess I can finally eat. Of course, as some of you may already know, I am a complete newbie when it comes to putting on makeup. So just want to try to get better and applying it, which is why I'm taking the time out of my day to put makeup on, and I'm going nowhere. Okay, so now that I look presentable and a little bit more polished, now I guess I will feed my soul, not my soul, my stomach. I'm starving. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go in here and make me some food real quick, and then I got some editing to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. Okay, so for the most part, I do like to cook at home in my own kitchen. We do go out from time to time, but to save a little bit of coin, girl, I use my stove, okay? So today I am making just chicken and spaghetti, which I do have a video up on my channel already for this. It just coincidentally happened to be the meal that I'm making today. You know, cooking at home is a little bit more enjoyable for me because I do get to do it with my kids. So this gives me a little bit more bonding time with them, I guess. Okay, so as I prepare to do other things, I am trying to get in the habit of drinking so much more water. I know that water offers so many great benefits. Just me and water just don't click sometimes when I'm trying. So I do take my gallon jug of water and I do try to finish it by the end of the day. So I haven't been able to as of yet, but I'm working on it. So just to give my little baby something to do, we do go out so she can ride her bike.
I did it! Yay! Mom, that is my best so far.
So after a long day of cleaning and doing other things around the house, I did make it my business to sit back and relax because I was very tired. So that is what I typically do on a Saturday. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If there's any similarities or any things that you do, comment them down below. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more lifestyle and beauty and fashion content. Thank you. Bye.